Hello, my ID number is 003774900017 and I would like to do a screencast for my product for my ITGS IA. Hey, just to clarify, the database you're currently looking at is for demonstration purpose. The actual database restricts the user of directly adding the structure of the database and it's not appropriate for this screencast. I would like to summarize the techniques I've utilized in the creation of this database. One of these techniques would be data validation, which I will show using the table students. Here in these three fields, student's ID, course, and sex, they each have a validation rule and a validation text if it's not followed. Here, and here. The next one would be the use of various data types. As I use multiple tables, I've used multiple databases. The biggest one would be eText. However, the table with the most variety in data types would be table universities. Here you can see three data types, the most of which is text, email, websites are hyperlinks, and country code is a number. Next technique I would like to showcase would be the use of basic queries. So one example of a basic query in my database would be the list of students' university choices, which just shows a direct list. It's sorted with the ID of students in ascending order. The next technique I would like to showcase would be the use of VBA and macros. This is most prominent in the login form of this database, of which I would like to note that my database is password protected. So if I open the navigation login form, this is currently the layout view of it, and if we can see, the OK button and the cancel button are two different types. The OK button was designed using a VBA, and here's the code for it. Well, the cancel button was using a macro. So this macro is just a quick access button. In the event that the user cannot enter the database and they click cancel, so it'll just close the database. Next, I would like to showcase the use of complex queries using my database, and it is shown in the student list. Here in my complex query, I've used each of these fields uses certain criteria. And they're mainly used this personal code with the wildcard. This is in the event that my client forgets a certain person or the entire sentence, it will be slightly a bit forgiving in the actual showcasing of the actual sorting of the raw data. Now, complex query and the basic query are used to generate reports. However, this is not one of the techniques I want to showcase. The last technique I would like to showcase would be three or more related tables. It was analysis using my relationships. The main relationship of my database would be between these 5 tables. Where tables, the name of the students and the names of university are related to this table where it shows university choice. This is just to showcase the students of which who want to go to which university, which is also now a table of students is also related to course choice, which each course they would like to pursue in the future, and consultation table notes, which is for the client to write notes upon their separate consultations with her own clients. That'd be all the techniques I would like to showcase in this screencast. Thank you.